I'm finding that if you just let yourself sit in one place and look, the longer you look, the more you see. I mean, I suppose that's true anywhere. But especially here. The more you hear, the more you learn about it, the more you can start spotting things. Like, okay, for example, straight across from me, in this area here, right here. I believe this is an unfinished tomb, maybe tomb 786 based on the position. It's a step tomb. Looks like it was going to be proto-Haggard type. You can see the steps coming down here. It would have been on the other side as well, like that. It's all eroded now. This was the beginning of the interior, but you can tell by this face over here, they never finished carving it down. And I don't know if this lower one was already there, which might make it 786. And this one wouldn't have been able to go very far anyway. Or if when the top one was abandoned, the bottom space became available. Or something else, I don't know. I mean, you can see this one, probably 786. And above and behind it, you can see 781. And 780, which is also unfinished, along with 779. And then 778 and 777. And the tombs around Uneshu, 813 over there. And of course the gorgeous urn tomb 772 over there. You can see part of the facade and the columns from here. It's amazing. Amazing.
simple place, here for us all to see. Reach as it comes to you, as it comes to me, as I will always need you inside my heart. Peace is a word we teach, a place for us all to reach. Sing as it sings to you, as it sings to me, as I will always need you inside my heart.
And then it came.